Hey everybody, this video is on some great acoustic products from Vicoustic. Now, Vicoustic is a company out of Portugal that specializes in acoustic treatments for both residential and commercial applications. While there are many companies out there offering acoustic solutions, Vicoustic is really quite unique. Their goal is actually to create beautiful acoustic solutions that work a lot better than others while also using either recycled materials or making them completely recyclable. Since they were founded in 2007, they have recycled over 250 tons of plastic bottles and 60% of the products are made with recycled materials. So at AudioVice, we've installed many Vicoustic solutions and our customers have been thrilled with the audio improvements and the great visuals these panels offer. We'll talk about these panels and then we'll go over each one next. Let's get started. Now, the final acoustic characteristics of your room are influenced by many aspects, but for this video, I'm just going to focus on how you can treat an existing room. So I feel the acoustic treatment of your home theater or audio room may be the single biggest thing you can do for the best audio performance. The strategy for your room will depend on many factors, but the great news is Vicoustic has a beautiful solution for just about every application. And the even better news is most home theater rooms are a rectangle and those will benefit from similar types of acoustic treatments. With Vicoustic having over 30 offerings, a quick visit to their website usually has people scratching their heads about which products to actually choose. It can be a bit confusing, especially for people new to the hobby. But here, I've taken all of that work away for you and picked out what I feel are the best value models for almost all possible applications. Plus, all of these are very easy for the DIY person to install themselves. And at the end of the product overviews, I'll also cover the various mounting options. For more information on the color options and other details, go check out our full written review listed in the description below. Now, through the years of experience, AudioVice has found that the best sounding rooms use a combination of absorption, diffusion panels that can do both absorption and diffusion, and in some cases, bass traps. Vicoustic has wonderful solutions for each of these categories. Sound absorption is usually the first step to improving your room. Now, most spaces I see have too many reflective surfaces. That's because when sound bounces off the walls and arrives to our ears at different times, it makes it harder for our brains to pick out the small details in the sounds. The worst example of this is a room with all hard surfaces and no furniture. We have all heard how that type of room is just a complete echo chamber. And when you tame the reflections, you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to understand the dialogue and also hear the softer details that draw you deeper into the movie or the music. Now, the best place to start is where the sound might first bounce off of the wall, which is usually the sidewalls near your main left and right speakers. You can even sit in your main chair and have someone walk down the sidewall with a mirror to see where these start. Anywhere you can see your speaker in the mirror is where you need to think about treating those acoustics. Now, my two favorite Vicoustic products for sound absorption are their flat panel VMT and the Cinema Round Premium. Now, the reason I like the flat panel VMT is there's a lot of cool graphics that these actually come into as well. Now, the flat panel VMT is a great panel for absorption made from Vicoustic's Vic PET wool. Now, this is a special material made from mostly recycled plastic bottles. My favorite version is their roughly 2 foot by 2 foot, 1 inch thick panel. These are designed to absorb the upper, mid, and higher frequencies that cause those annoying echo effects. You can place these on the walls and your ceiling. Their best use, however, would be on the sidewalls where your speaker's reflections first hit and the area right in between your speakers for stereo use. They are lightweight enough so you can simply use Velcro to attach them to your walls or use any of their other mounting options. These come 8 to a box with a good selection of color choices. These are a great choice if you're in a space where you do not want to damage the walls, as you can use 3M strips to hang them without leaving a trace when you take them down. Now, the Cinema Round Premium is my favorite panel of all of them. It absorbs frequencies starting in the lower mid-range all the way up in the very linear fashion. Their shape is convex, with them being about 3 inches deep at the peak of the curve. This is one of the best panels I've ever seen from a linear absorption perspective, making them perfect for both home theater and home audio use. Plus, their curved design, groups of 4 of these look really interesting when you rotate them as you mount them. I usually use them first on the sidewalls for first reflections where they work just fantastic. They can also be used on the rear wall and ceiling on the front wall in some stereo applications. My favorite combination though is to use these on the sidewalls for the primary reflections and use the flat panel VMT on the front wall. These come 8 to a box in similar colors to the flat panel VMT. Now, believe it or not, there can be such a thing as too much absorption in a room. So what do you do when you have a wall surface that is very reflective yet you don't want to make it totally absorptive? One great option is to use a diffusion panel. Diffusion panels are made out of raised geometric sections that break up the sound in such a way that you will never have reflection issues, yet they keep the room from having a dead sound, as I like to call it. Vicoustic makes a few types of diffusion products, some made from real wood that are quite beautiful, but with a fairly high price. The Diffuser DC3 is their best value product I love for diffusion applications. The Diffuser DC is made from a high quality expanded polystyrene that is molded into a very cool geometric pattern. These actually will diffuse frequencies all the way down to 125 Hertz and up to about 5,000 Hertz. When properly placed in a room, these can make a huge improvement in how well you can understand the dialogue track or hear subtle musical details. I like to place these in the middle of the back wall of a home theater or an audio room. So if you're following along with our suggestions, you can see how you would add these to a combination of cinema round premium on the sidewalls and flat panel VMT on the front. These guys come 6 to a box in black, white, or gray. A perfect way to treat more areas of your room for absorption, but not cause the sound to be too dull, is to use a product that does both. You have areas on the panel that are fully absorbent and other areas that are reflective, giving you that combination you need to cover more areas. Many companies in the acoustic space make something like this, but I have not seen any that work as well as the Vicoustic options, nor that just flat out look this cool. Now, the Wavelet Diffuser Ultra is made using a high density polystyrene and wood finish. They absorb, diffuse, and scatter the sound, focusing mostly on the middle acoustic frequencies. I like to use these mixed with the cinema round premium panels on the sidewalls to cover a larger area. They also are so light, they can be used on the ceiling as well for a really cool look. These come 3 to a box and have some great finish options too. Now, bass traps are made to help reduce the bass peaks that can sometimes occur in a room due to its dimensions. Every room has some bass standing wave problems. Some just have a lot more than others. Bass traps are somewhat of a debatable issue, as I've found many to take the life out of the room. The other thing that has happened only recently is the advent of home theater processors and receivers that can actually measure the characteristics of your room and then remove the bass issues electronically. If you use a good type of bass trap and don't go overboard, they can give you a more effortless quality to your lower end. The smaller your room is, the more you will normally benefit from adding bass traps. Now, the Super Bass Extreme Ultra is a modular system that not only acts as a bass trap, but also adds some other benefits. The corners of your room are great spots to put bass traps, but they are also a position where you can get some odd mid-range reflections. Now, I love the fact the Super Bass Extreme Ultra is designed to be placed in the corner, but also works somewhat like the Wavelet in that it absorbs and diffuses a pretty wide range of frequencies. The front of them looks very similar to the Wavelet diffuser as well, but they have a really interesting method of absorbing the lower frequencies while maintaining a compact size. There's an internal membrane that will sympathetically vibrate in the range of 75 to 100 Hertz, which then passes the air through a layer of high density foam that absorbs the lower frequencies. This is right in the range where most bass issues occur in the room. The front of the panel absorbs and diffuses middle frequencies to break up reflections in the corners. I like to stack these in the 2 rear corners of the room first, then do the front 2 corners if necessary. 2 per corner is usually enough. Now, if your room has some really bad bass standing wave problems, and you have no way to correct them in your electronics, then these might be the best thing to add after you tame the main reflections in your room. These come 2 to a box in the same colors as the Wavelet Diffuser Ultra. Now, the really great part about Vicoustic products is their modular design. You can start small and then add as your budget allows, or just do everything you need all at once. For many people, simply one box of flat panel VMT or semi-round professional divided up for each sidewall near your main speakers will make a huge difference. To make things easier, we've done a good, better, and best for both home audio and home theater rooms. We then did them for small to mid-size rooms under 500 square feet and larger rooms. Our Vicoustic packages page will show you the suggested products and where to put them. The link is below. You just click on the link for each product in the package and it'll actually take you to our order page. And that way you can choose the color and then add the number of boxes you need to your cart. Just bear in mind, these are all priced out per box with 2 to 8 pieces per box. So in most cases, you just need 1 or 2 boxes. If you're working with one of our home theater designers on a custom home theater, they can also provide some insight as to the best products for your space. And finally, for very elaborate projects, the Vicoustic team can do a complete analysis of your room and provide a solution. But there's a charge for this service. So how hard is it to install these yourself? If you're a basic or a good DIY person like me, I think you'll find it pretty easy and also fun. For 90% of the installations we do in our stores, we simply use construction adhesive to attach the panels to the walls. I like to use Gorilla Glue, heavy duty construction adhesive, or the Loctite Power Grab. They both give you a few minutes to get things aligned and then you just lock it down. You first want to map out where they'll go and then mark your walls and the locations they'll be placed. The first panel in each section is the most important one, as once you get it in the correct spot and perfectly level, you can just add the others around it and they will line up if you are careful. The lightweight of the flat panel VMT even allows you to use 3M strips to hang them onto your walls. We go into this in much greater detail in our written review, and we also have a full video on how to install acoustic panels linked in the description below. Now, another method, although it does cost a bit more, even sometimes more than a panel itself, is their Vixfix system. These are large metal discs you can glue to the back of some of the panels, then you just attach a small magnet to the wall. Now, this system allows you to fine-tune placement easier, but it's not cost-effective in my mind. Now, Vicoustic also makes a rail system called the Vixfix J profile. Some of the panels can be hung on this right out of the box, while others require a Vixfix base. This does make it easy to install, as you just have to get the rail level, but it's still not very cost effective. I'd rather spend the money on more panels. Now, my advice is to use constructive adhesive. Measure carefully first and you will be good. The 2 I mentioned do give you about 5 minutes to get things perfectly lined up. Then you just put pressure on the panel for 2 minutes and you can move on to the next one. This will save you enough money in many cases to add another level of acoustic treatment to your room. Most people are completely shocked at how much their sound and enjoyment improves with the right acoustic treatment. What you may not have thought about, though, is how good of an investment it really is. Many of us change our components over time as technology improves, or we just want something better. Once you install a good acoustic product, though, there is no need to change them. The laws of physics won't change over time, making your acoustic plan a one-time investment that will last as long as you are using the room. If you are building a home theater or updating your current one, jump on over to audioadvice.com to use our free home theater design tool. It will show you exactly where to put your speakers and even give you recommended amounts of acoustic paneling. Additionally, you can browse all of our buyer's guides, our how-tos, and see our inspiration gallery and videos on home theater installations. Now, if you have any questions on acoustics or home theater or home audio in general, please reach out to our team at audioadvice.com over chat, email, or phone, or just stop by one of our Raleigh or Charlotte, North Carolina showrooms. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel so you see more content just like this posted on a weekly basis. We'll see you next time.